Hello everyone, I'm Heather Pottajada from the Kirksville R3 schools in Northeast Missouri. I teach physics. We are going back in person this coming year and I'm excited about it. I'm looking forward to getting back into the swing of things. I have made some 3D printed pieces that go on the ends of my tables so that I can divide my tables and keep my kids uh, socially distanced and continue to carry on with some of the labs that I hope to do. And we have some exciting things on the agenda this year, including building our own wind turbine that should hopefully generate some energy for our classroom. So I think the sky's the limit. Even though there is a pandemic out there, I don't think we have to stop doing what we do. So everybody hang in there. Good luck, and I hope you all enjoy this coming school year.